So today we're going to talk about pleated baghouse filters. First, what they are not. Secondly, what we use them for. And third, when they're a good idea. So first, they're not a type of cartridge. A lot of times we hear people saying cartridges, pleated cartridges, and it can confuse things. A cartridge dust collector is a different kind of system than a baghouse that uses pleated filters. True, a pleated filter is a type of cartridge, but we avoid saying that term because it confuses the two kinds of systems. A cartridge collector usually makes use of larger filters that are somewhere 12 to 20 inches in diameter and that have somewhere between 200 to maybe 500 or even more square feet of filter media on them. And they're used for very different applications than a baghouse style dust collector. Now, a pleated baghouse filter is basically when you have a cartridge collector and a dust collector put together. So it is a type of cartridge, but it's in the same size and relative shape as a bag filter. It can be installed into an existing baghouse system without any kind of modifications because the diameter and the top design is similar to what the bag is originally in the baghouse. So really, pleated baghouse filters are most often used as retrofits into existing systems. Now the reason we would do this is because, like the cartridge, the pleated filter has the filter media that's pleated on itself, which means it can pack more filter into a smaller space compared to a bag. So when installed into a baghouse system, we're effectively doubling, sometimes even tripling the amount of filter area that's available in the baghouse without any modifications.